So guys, we're at the Bow Falls Viewpoint. We hiked here from the Fairmont Banff Springs Hotel, and it was just a half-kilometer hike, and we just came down a bunch of stairs, and this is pretty much it. So we're heading back towards downtown. We just visited the Bow Falls Viewpoint, and we're currently on the Bow Falls Trail heading in the direction of downtown Banff. You can see that mountain in the background over there. A lot of trees on this side. This is a pretty popular trail to do when you're in Banff, guys, so if you're ever here, come and check it out. It's open to all skill levels. You don't have to be a supreme hiker to do this trail. It's just a few steps to get to the top at the viewpoint, and apart from that, the majority of the trail is flat like this. So check this out, guys, and that's the same house right here. Let's get a better look at it. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. We'll have lots more coming your way. So for now, it's a goodbye from me and Dorothy. Take care, guys.